How to make a one-block server in Minecraft using Aternos. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so let's get started. Step 1. Download the one-block map. Go to Google and search for one-block map, or use the link in the description. On the website, go to Files and download the latest version. Wait a few seconds until the file is saved to your computer. Step 2. Set up your Aternos server. Go to the Aternos website and sign up or log in. Click on Create a Server and choose Minecraft Java Edition. Once your server is created, go to the World section. Click Upload, select the one-block map file you just downloaded, and upload it. Step 3. Start your server. After the upload is complete, go back to the Server tab. Click Start, accept the terms, and wait until your server is online. Copy your server IP address. Step 4. Join your server in Minecraft. Open Minecraft, go to Multiplayer, and click Add Server. Paste the server IP address, save it, and then join your server. That's it. You now have your own one-block server on Aternos. Invite your friends, play together, and enjoy the challenge.